don't make her so tired and overuse it. Overuse? Overuse. I love her so much. Sana all. But I'm in Yemen and you are far away. You have that wallet. Is your boss good to you? Yes, she is. They are good to me. Also the kids. They are nice. They don't like pay me like a good salary. But it's okay as long as they treat me good. I can eat whatever I eat. I can go out when I want to go out. I can, hanging out with friends when I want. So it's okay for me. As long as they treat me good, um, that's important. You know, I understand that she is single mom also like me. So I can understand that she can't give me a good salary. It's because she have lots of, you know, responsibilities, expenses, something like that. But it's fine. I can find way to to earn extra income also. I am alone now. No one is with me. So you sleep. Are you alone? Go to sleep. If I'm alone, I take the time to, go to sleep. But the problem is sometimes I can't sleep. Even I close my eyes like, okay, Tisha, relax. Go to sleep, okay? Relax your mind. Don't think something. Don't think some problems. Just relax. The problem is I can't sleep. I don't know why. So the ending is gonna gonna shower, gonna get ready, change clothes, and go to the mall. And walking there. Actually, I didn't get shopping. I just take pictures, taking videos, buy milk tea, something like that. Because I really get bored. When I'm at home, when I finish my chores, I really feel like I'm so bored. Actually, going to the mall or going out alone, it's bored. I want to have a friend, together with me, but they are busy. True, don't laugh. It's true. Come on, talk to me. I did not even talk to Messenger. There's a lot of people messaging there wanting to talk to me. I did not respond. I did not talk if it's not important because I'm a busy woman. Busy woman did not, you know, entertain nonsense things. If it's important, okay, I pay attention and give my time. If it's not, sorry, because I'm busy. I have lots of clothes to, you know, to laundry. I have to cook. I have to clean the house because this house is so very. I have shorts, guys. Huh? Because this house is so very. I have short. Because this house is so big. It's big. It takes like 2 hours for me to clean. If I did a general cleaning, it takes like 2 days. So Tisha's gonna die. I'm gonna die.